Okay, we're here to look at another simultaneous equation example. In this situation, we have 4m plus 5n equals 21, 2m minus 3n equals minus 6. So we always evaluate which method we should use, substitution or elimination. Substitution is not suitable in this situation, or it's not as accessible because there isn't, one of the variables doesn't have a coefficient of 1. Okay, so it's not as straightforward. So we'll go with the elimination method. Okay, so we're going to use the elimination method. The elimination method basically is where you eliminate one of the variables. That's the whole your whole objective at the start. So we evaluate which are either the m's or the n's we're going to try and eliminate. We evaluate those. Okay, which one would be the easiest to eliminate? In this situation here, you can see that you have 4m and 2m. If I just multiply the bottom line by minus 2, I would be able to eliminate the m's. Okay, for me to eliminate the n's, I would need to multiply the top line by 3 and the bottom line by minus 5. So it's a bit more work. Perfectly acceptable to do that, but we're just going to basically take the eliminate the m's. So we're going to multiply by minus 2. So that gives us minus 4m plus 6n equals 12. Okay, so you multiply every single term by minus 2. Top line stays exactly as it is. So now we just create a sum and we add them. 4 take away 4m is 0m, so that's eliminated. 5n 6 plus 6n is 11n. 21 and 12 is 33. So we have 11n is 33. So we divide both sides by 11 and we get n equals 3. As before, we have n equals 3. We want to find out what the other variable is because we've only half our answer got. So we just, again, it doesn't matter which line we take. 4m plus 5n equals 21. We're taking the n equals 3 and putting it in there in the line. So we have 3 gone in there, 21. So we have 4m plus 15 equals 21. We want to get, the purpose now is to get m on its own. So we have 4m equals 6. We divide both sides by 4 to get m on its own, and we end up with 6 over 4, or 3 over 2. Okay, always a good idea then to verify your answer. So verify your answer basically is in both equations you sub back in your answer. So our answer at the minute is m equals 3 over 2, n equals 3. Okay, so we want to make sure that that's correct. So if we just take our second line, 2m minus 3n, 2m minus 3n equals minus 6. So 2 times 3 over 2 minus 3 times 3, does that, question mark, does that give us minus 6? So that 2 times 3 over 2 is 3, minus 9 is minus 6. Minus 6 is minus 6. So this is just our, we are just making sure that we have verified that our answer is true. Okay, so this example here, we use the elimination method. That was the most suitable, and we eliminate the m's by multiplying the second line by minus 2, and then we work our way down, find m, and the most important part at the end, you always verify your answer to make sure that what you've done is correct. That's it.